How to fix PrizePicks not working. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see the different ways we can fix this particular issue. The first way to solve this particular issue is that you just simply head up to your Play Store or App Store and make sure that your application of PrizePicks is up to date. And even after that, if it is still not working, then just simply open up the application settings of your mobile device and open up PrizePicks. Over there, you will be able to find the option of storage, and under that you will be able to find the option of clear cache memory. Just simply clear up the cache memory of PrizePicks. This way all the corrupted files will be deleted and your PrizePicks should be working quite fine after that. And if it is not working even after that, then just simply uninstall the PrizePicks application and reinstall it. This way it should be working absolutely fine. And these were some ways you could solve this problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.